Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the partial smoky kind of eye makeup, the new one. So let's continue with me. If you want to see the color I have taken from the palette, you can reverse the video or take the screenshot. The palette I'm using, that is Pretty All Set UCANBE, and the brushes I'm using from the set of Bellie. I have taken the green color of eyeshadow and depositing it towards the outer edges of the eye in the direction of V and blending it with the help of blending brush, giving more depth to the color as you can see in the video, adding some brown color to blend this green color. Now depositing some color over the crease line. Now again taking the big blending brush, blending the product, adding some depth to the color. Now depositing the purple blue color, blurring out the crease line. Now taken the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color golden, applying it to the inner corner of the eye. Blurring out the crease line. Applying the liquid glitter in the color of golden from the brand Charmwork Beauty, spreading it over the eyelid with the help of flat applicator. Now the look after lashes. Smudging the under eye with the help of smudge brush. I have already applied the white kajal pencil from the brand Charm Walk Beauty. Now here is the final look in front of you. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing.